is this truck?
70.
70?
No, 76. No, 75 or 74.
Is this Wilbur's truck?
Yeah, we don't use it too much anymore. Just basically the seed.
How's the other Chev? Is it
Mom's
still
truck,
running?
yeah, it's good. We're thinking of selling it,
Oh yeah.
but we still use it a bit, so it's a tough. Then we have another truck that's kind of the main grain truck. But it's only got 6 years, so there's no split axles or anything on it. Okay. Just come on out and I'll sit in the middle.
Yep.
Got your phone, babe.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know about the seat belts.
Yeah, well,
None of it's legal.
so
Familiar yourself with that 4 gears. You might as well start out the first. You do the double clutch thing from first to second, it might help.
okay, yeah, right.
There you go. Hold the clutch in, pull it down, there you go. Do it every time if you want. Hold the clutch in, there you go. Okay, put it neutral, push the clutch in, pull it down. Now you're at the point where you just, this truck, pull up the red knob, push the clutch in, let the clutch out, you're good.
Oh, you don't have to sell.
No more gears. It's a house you can buy. It's for sale.
Oh, is it?
That's nice.
The whole quarter's for sale here.
Are you thinking about it?
So what does this guy do for a real living?
We're not sure. He's an import from Switzerland. He came with all the cat. He does hobby farms with those alpacas. Obviously, he built a lot of houses. He didn't build that one. He built the alpaca. Probably 1.2.
Critters. Is that this feedlot?
Just downshift into third. Double clutch. Okay, put it neutral. Or yeah, up one, clutch in, up to third. Yeah, you gotta push pretty hard. There you go. Don't worry about the bottom.
So you only have to do it once, eh, babe?
Yeah, you don't have to start just in, out.
You don't have to push it twice when it's in neutral. Just once.
Yeah, just get some experience. Okay, now down, pull down, and let the clutch out slow. Good.
Yes, it's a little bit different with which where I let it go, let it out fast.
These big trucks are so heavy that you don't got a whole lot of time. They just keep moving. Oh, head right, yeah.
miles on this old truck?
Looks like it's going to hit 80,000.
Those original?
I think so, yeah. But they hauled a lot of hay with it.
A lot of short hauls, under loads, right?
Yeah, I think actually when they hauled, they had the hay contract for Macomb Research Station, square bales. That was a few trips.
Everybody on film, good smiles. Nice profile, by the way, Claude. Thanks. Silly bugger. Greg and Andrew are in Edmonton this weekend. They got the truck.
Oh boy.
So I give him a tank of gas and a few bucks and see you in a week.
Yeah. Oh, really? Okay. Are they on some sort of holidays or what?
Andrew's ducking a couple days school next week, but there's 3 days some graduation activity stuff. And Gregory's just taking a long weekend.
Taking a scenic around the community. Lots of shifting, lots of work. This is a good chance to do your double clutch. You put it in the fourth. Try and make it up. When you get about halfway up, then you double clutch it in the third. Give it lots of gas.
So you probably shift any time.
Oh, there you go. Put the clutch in. There you go. Now you're gonna have to go into second. Same thing. Okay, you got lucky there.
There you go.
How good are you backing up without downhill real fast?
Oh, yeah.
How good are you at driving backwards? Yeah, pretty soon you'll get luckier and luckier, and pretty soon it'll come second nature. You don't even have to think about it. You just do it.
Notice you want to let that clutch in and out, you know?
Yep.
You only got to do it twice. Just bang, bang.
So, okay, I'm going to do this, so I just
Well, you can keep going if you want, or we can go in, whatever. Or you feel you're good, or
okay, well, I mean, it's
do you want some more practice?
Was I like doing it?
Maybe we should go around the block one more time.
Let me just up there and then just turn around.
Okay, we can do a back in oil lease. You wanted more practice on the...
Yeah. Okay, just up there, then I'll just...
Just go to the top of the hill there to the oil
and then,
lease.
yeah, okay.
You're getting lucky there most of the time, right?
So it's not
Don't be scared to slow down with your clutching. Push it in. Just take your time. Like I say, your foot's only got to go in and out twice. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, that's better. You might as well put it down in the third. Clutch in. Up. Good.
Right turn just up here, or back in, whichever
You
you
gotta
think.
back into it. You never want to back out into the road, so just go a little bit further and then back into the approach.
Oh, I'm going this
Yeah,
way. Oh, okay.
back in here is a
Back in.
huge approach. So
Yeah, you don't normally back onto a road, right?
yeah, can't see what's going on.
Back.
Way over and down.